Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create procedural chain effects in Blender geometry nodes. So first start a mesh circle node and create a point node and instance on points node. Create some points and instance the mesh circle node and create random value node and increase the maximum size and set minimum size to 0. Create sample nearest surface node and position node and connect position to the value input of the sample nearest surface node. Create a convex hull from our geometry input. Set our position to our new transferred position vector. That means it is transferring our object's position attribute to the nearest points of our circles. When we check them together, as you can see, we have transferred the position attribute to the nearest surface. Let's create mesh to curve node and curve to points node. And set our length value to 0.1. Create instance on points node and instance cubes to visualize our generated points of our curve. Let's make a chain shape with our cube to visualize its connections. Create rotate instances node to rotate every other point of our chain mesh. Let's create an index node and create a math node. We are going to use modulo operation for this task. Select modulo in math node and set value to 2. That means we are selecting every other point. We are only selecting the even values. When we visualize our generated mesh, we can already see our chain pattern. Let's create better chain shape. Create a grid and play with the X and Y values to make it more round. Create mesh to curve node and curve to mesh node to convert our grid's edges to mesh. Create curve circle node and connect it to the profile curve input of our curve to mesh node. To make it look like chain, we can play with the radius and resample value. So here we have created our automatic chain generator. You can play with the count value of our point node and you can define how many chains you want around the object. You can change the parameters of our mesh circle node to get the different results of our chains. We have generated our chain generator. You can use the asset on any object you want. Thank you for watching.